Good day, everyone. We are from the NUR242, and today we are going to present to you our data gathering and analysis of our study entitled A Correlational Study of the Academic Performance of College Students at National University based on sleep duration. May I call on Mr. Alan Regala to present the data gathering part of our study.
As students, we all understand the importance of sleep, but do we really know how much it affects our academic performance? This study aims to explore the relationship between the amount of sleep students get and their academic achievements. By gathering data from college students at National University, we analyze whether sleep duration has a significant impact on overall academic success. For the questionnaire, section 1 in sleep duration. For number 1, how many hours of sleep most do you get on school nights? For number 2, do you feel well rested after usual sleep on school nights? For number 3, how would you describe your quality on school nights? For section 2, academic performance. For number 1, what is your most recent generated general weighted average or GWA? For number 2, how often do you feel that your sleep duration affects your academic performance? And last, do you believe that complete sleep duration would improve your academic performance? And this is our total respondents.
So now let's proceed on how we analyze the data. In the first step, we input all the numerical data in two columns with labels of our two variables, which are the sleep duration and academic performance. We use a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. After we input all the numerical data of the two variables, we will next use the correlation and regression analyze test. So under the data tab, we have the data analysis. Then we choose the correlation. Then next we will input our data range, which from A2 to B32. Then we will choose output range to present here in the sheet. Then we will click OK. So here is the results of correlation analysis. Then next we will analyze for the regression. So again, on the data tab, under data analysis, then we will find the regression, press OK. Then next we will input the Y range or our Y variable, which are the academic performance. And for our X range or X variable is the sleep duration. Then we will check the line fit plots for a graph. Then press OK. So as you can see here in the regression analysis, we have the multiple R, or indicate as the correlation coefficient, which is 0.33, and it indicates weak positive. Then as you can see here is the p-value, which is 0.074. It tells that the p-value is higher than 0.05 or 5% of the significance level. So to conclude, the Pearson correlation coefficient of 0.33 that indicates weak positive relationship result. However, the p-value of 0.074 is higher than 0.05 or the 5% significance level. So, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. This means that there is not enough evidence to say that there is a significant relationship between sleep duration and academic performance at the 95% confidence level. So that's all for our data gathering analysis of our study.
We came up with this idea because as nursing students, we know how hard it is to balance studying and getting enough sleep. Many students stay up late to study, but sometimes, instead of helping, it just leads to exhaustion and lower performance. We wanted to find out if there's really a connection between sleep duration and academic performance. Does sleeping longer lead to better grades, or can students still excel even with less sleep as long as they have good study habits? Through this study, we can better understand how to take care of our health while maintaining good academic standing.
We planned our task by first identifying what we wanted to find out, which is the connection between sleep duration and academic performance among NU students. After that, we gathered data by asking students about their sleep hours and their grades by Google form. Once we had the data, we organized it and used Pearson correlation to check if there's a relationship between the two variables. We also made sure to follow a clear process so the results would be accurate and easy to understand. Lastly, we analyzed the findings to see if sleep has an impact on academic performance and what it means for students like us.
Yes, we received support aside from our group mates. Our professor helped us check if our title was correct, and they confirmed that it was appropriate for our study. We also asked students who had already taken mathematics in the modern world to guide us in using Pearson correlation and watching YouTube on computation for this. Additionally, we sought help from our friends to spread the survey and gather more respondents with their support. We were able to complete our study more accurately and efficiently.
One of our challenges was computing the Pearson correlation since it took time to process and analyze the data correctly. We also struggled to gather more respondents because not everyone was willing to answer the survey. Due to these challenges, the task took longer to complete, but we managed to finish it by working together.
Good day. I contributed in this performance task by helping in providing ideas and by suggesting topics. In addition, I also helped distribute the survey in order for us to gather responses to ensure that we had enough data for our analysis. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Princess Zylah Ramos. I contributed by helping brainstorm our research title and check or finalizing our output. My work aimed to align with our objectives and strengthen our understanding. Thank you.
Good day. I am Javier, and in our performance task, I contributed by sharing the surveys with other campuses to gather more responses and ensure a wider range of data. This helped make our project more comprehensive and reliable. Aside from that, I will also be the one editing the video presentation, making sure it is well organized, engaging, and visually appealing. Through these efforts, I am helping our group present our work effectively and deliver a meaningful output.
Good day, I'm Regala. I contributed to this performance task by helping come up with the title of our study to ensure it aligned with our research objectives. I also assisted in creating the questionnaire to gather relevant data from our respondents. Additionally, I conducted surveys from among my peers who are studying at National University to collect valuable information for our research. My efforts helped in analyzing the relationship between sleep duration and academic performance. Thank you.
Hello, I am Jamerylle. For this study or Peta, I contributed by brainstorming our study title to align with our objectives. I also analyzed the gathered data using correlation and regression analysis in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Additionally, I compiled and finalized the output submitted along with this presentation. Through my contributions, we aim to strengthen our understanding and achieve our studies objectives. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rogel Jerome A. Salentes. I contributed to this activity by helping out my group mates on making our data more accurate and precise, by finishing it on time and to gather the data faster. With those things, we accomplish our task on time and successful.